Stuff happens. No matter how smart or competent we are, users make mistakes. We accidentally delete files, corrupt data during upgrades, overwrite important information, and lose work in more unexpected ways. Each time IT has to help, it pulls them away from bigger projects, draining productivity and goodwill for both IT and employee. But there's a better way. With CrashPlan, users can recover their own files after a data loss incident. In just a couple clicks, users can restore some or all of their files, including what they were working on just minutes before losing data. They can even restore older versions because CrashPlan automatically backs up all data for however long you need it. With SelfService Restore, users can get back to work faster. Help desk tickets are reduced, giving IT time to focus on more strategic initiatives. And with remote monitoring of restore completion, they can step in to help as needed. Both IT and end users maintain productivity, everybody is happier, and world peace is achieved. Okay, maybe not that last part. CrashPlan is secure, scalable, straightforward, self-service data recovery. Find out more or start a trial at CrashPlan.com.